Hello, Darin Martineau, Master Magic Shop. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my magic class I'm going to invite you to. We have a magic class. It's inside the book table. The magic shop is located on the second level inside of the world's largest, it's one of the world's largest puzzle stores. Our magic shop. So we have all kinds of amazing magic. You can come see live magic demonstrations. Our magic class is every Saturday from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and we recommend it for anybody ages 8 and up. So it's very family friendly. It's also great for a date night. So if you're coming to visit Logan or you live in Logan, we'd love to have you come see our Master Magic class. Magic class, you get to learn 3 professional routines. You get all the videos, all the props, everything you need. A little bit about myself. I'm author of over 100 magic books and hundreds of magic products. You can see my products here in the magic shop. Shin, who's won America's Got Talent, uses 3 of my original magic tricks that I've created. My mentor is Allan Ackerman. He's the world's greatest card magician. So if you'd like to learn amazing magic, come on in. Thank you.